Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of an umai crate. Yes, an umai crate. Go over to japancrate.com, look around, you'll find the umai crate. When you buy one, buy 1,000,000 of them if you have the money, and then use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. I like that. It's cool. I'm a code. Yeah. It's like Muad'Dib. Anyways. Although when the Ramen Raider becomes a killing word, that would just be yeah. But I got a little ways to go. God of Ramen, yeah. God of all noodles. Something I aspire to. Anyway, this is Kenko Foods healthy shoyu noodle. Why is it healthy? I don't know. It's in Japanese. They said it was healthy. So I'm hoping they're not giving us a load of crap. And let's see. We got 500 mils of water in there, 3 minutes. Add the stuff. Okay. See, that's the extent of my ability to handle foreign languages, ladies and gentlemen. I can take instructions, here's the noodle blog, for instant noodles and translate them like nobody's business. It's like, oh wow, do you know how to read Japanese? No, I know how to read Japanese instant noodle instructions though. Oh wow, you know, I know how to read instant noodle instructions from all over the world. Especially the ones that are the most interesting are the Chinese ones, because the Chinese ones generally don't tell you how much water to use. And I've come to the conclusion that that means 500 milliliters. 99% of the time. Usually, you're always going to have those little pictograms. Actually, on a lot of them you don't from China. But it's just kind of, sometimes you'll run into like, oh, I made that wrong. But trickiest ones, I think, for me to understand were the ones from Taiwan. Cook the noodles in the broth, drain the noodles, keep the broth, put this seasoning in the drained liquid, put this paste in with the noodles, stir this up, you have a bowl of broth and you have a bowl of noodles. Wei Li Men is like that, and it's absolutely exceptional. I can't extol the fascinating nature of the Taiwanese instant noodle market more. I think it's the greatest thing ever. Japanese one is cool too, but there's just so many weird ways that Taiwanese noodles go. It's like, oh, let's try this way. Oh, let's try this way. It's cool. Yeah. This weekend, which is a month ago now for you, we're gonna go up to Canada. I'm stoked. Last time I went up to Canada, it was like a desperate run to get new shoes. My cheap shoes. Tonight we're gonna go get me new sandals. It's like I've gone through this whole big long thing. Now I'm on to sandals, so whatever, I'm doing it. And yeah, I'm gonna go up to Canada. Maybe go over to Lansdowne Center, check out the big TNT store. Get some noodles. They got vape shops up there. Generally, I was just getting really boring stuff like blueberry and menthol and mixing them together. This is menthol mixed with like this pink lemonade stuff, which is just like, whoa! Tastes super good. Yummy. If you decide that you want to smoke cigarettes, don't. Do this. I mean, if you want to like look cool and vape, you can, and you can do it with 0 nicotine. That's what they don't tell you on the news. you can get zero nicotine juice, and it's really easy to get too. But they're like, oh, well, you know. Yeah, the whole vaping controversy drives me nuts. It's like, you know, you're all getting played by the big tobacco. Enjoy. Okay, well, I'm gonna add the sachet. You know this. It's a light-colored powder that will make the liquid look darker. I'm sorry, but that's the deal right now. I wish there was a way I could have two of these cameras hooked up and just flip a little switch and have like an overhead camera. I just wish I could have my own show, like in a studio, and have a studio audience. Maybe I should like download a laugh track. That'd be fun. And when I'm doing videos, I can make sure you're all amused, because I'm pushing a button letting you know that that's the time for you to be amused. Let's give this a try. Generally, this Kenko stuff is not half bad. They include it very, very often. And for me, I like variety. I mean, even if it's good stuff, I like more variety than consistency. Good noodle. Good. That really is shoyu, huh? Interesting. That's good. I like it. I like it. We got an egg here. Hopefully this one will behave better than the last egg. The last egg was just rude. See, and it's like sometimes the yolks go where they should, and sometimes they just refuse. Like in this one, the yolk's all the way at the bottom. See that? But maybe we can just go like this. Not really. See that? That's sad looking. I apologize profusely. I'm a fraud. God. My eggs make me look bad. Often they look really good, but sometimes I'll get a batch of them that just come out crappy. And I think that's what we have right here today in our little kitchen studio. Here, tons of spring onion. Look at that. Don't look at the egg, look at the spring onion. Also, the controversy over calling it spring onion or something else. This is bad pork. Whew. Doesn't matter, I don't eat it. It's like I go through the checkout line at the grocery store. I'm like, oh, you're gonna have some da, 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 da. And I'm like, oh, I don't eat this stuff. Like, what? Why do you buy it? Well, I have to throw it away. I wouldn't eat this stuff, would you? People just get like this horrible look on their face, like, you mean you're wasting food? Like, no, I'm not wasting it. I'm just not eating it. Trust me, I do a lot more with my food than just people who just go and eat it and poop it out. I mean, I'm having fun. I'm playing with my food. All right, you ready? Rotate. Oh. Chili flakes. Woo! you go on YouTube and you look up vape tricks, you'll lose your mind. It's insane. I'm no good at it. But yeah. Kenko Foods, healthy shoyu from Japan. This came out of an Umai crate. Go to www.japancrate.com. Look at their Umai crate and other crates. They got all sorts of cool stuff. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. And I'm out for today. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one and bye.